Welcome, bird enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of some of India's most beautiful birds and their distinctive calls. As we explore these birds and their unique calls, we'll uncover the beauty and symphony they bring to India's diverse landscapes. Number 1. Indian Peafowl, Peacock. The Indian Peafowl, also known as the peacock, is renowned for its striking and elaborate plumage. Males display iridescent blue and green feathers with a majestic, colorful train that's used for courtship displays. It's not just a feast for the eyes, but also for the ears. The peacock's distinctive call, a resonant and echoing cow-wow, is a sound that echoes through the forests and fields of India. Number 2. Indian Pitta. The Indian Pitta is a tiny gem of the forests. Its visual beauty is matched by its cheerful and repetitive call, which sounds like a series of sharp, metallic whistles that can brighten anyone's day. Number 3. Himalayan Monal. High up in the Himalayas, we find the Himalayan Monal. Not only does its vibrant plumage captivate our gaze, but its melodious call, resembling soft whistles and trills, adds a symphony to the mountains. Number 4. Malabar Trogon. In the lush western Ghats, the Malabar Trogon enchants us not just with its brilliant plumage, but with a melodious, sweet, and high-pitched series of pip-pip-pip calls, like nature's own wind chimes. Number 5. Black-necked crane. The black-necked crane, with its elegant appearance, also graces us with its soft, bugling calls that resonate across the serene landscapes of India. A sound that's both soothing and mystical. These birds not only captivate our eyes, but also fill the air with their unique sounds, creating a harmonious symphony of nature. So, as we dive into this exploration of beauty and song, let's remember that India's bird life is a true treasure trove for both the eyes and the ears. Thank you for joining us on this ornithological adventure. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay curious. Stay connected with nature. And until our next exploration, keep your eyes to the skies and your ears tuned to the melodies of India's magnificent birds. Goodbye, and happy bird watching.
Bird's beauty.